How to add photos to a memory on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on Play as Slideshow. Tap on the play button below to view the slideshow. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Tap on Add to Favorites. You have now successfully added this photo to your favorites album. Go back and scroll down to the Memories section. As you can see, you can view the photo over here. Following these steps, you can easily add photos to a memory on iPhone.